So this station's about solving one variable equations. So there's only one variable in there, f. Although it's there 2 times, it's the same one, and we're allowed to combine it if we get it in the right situation. So the very first thing that we do when we're solving one variable equations is if we need to distribute, we do that first. So I need to distribute this 3 to both the f and the 1. So I'm going to have 3 times f, or 3f, plus 3 times 1, so 3. And I didn't change anything about the right side, so I bring it back down. Now I've still got those f's on both sides, and I need to move them all to one side, but I can't just pick it up and move it. I've got to figure out how I can get this solo f over here by itself onto the other side. So what I'm going to do is, this is a positive f right now, so in order to get rid of it on that side, I'm going to draw my line down, and I'm going to subtract it on both sides, always keeping it even, doing everything on both sides. Now all I have left over here is -2, and now I had 3f, but I took away 1, so I've got 2f plus 3 over here. Now I've got a 2 in my way on the left side and a 3 in my way on the left side, and I'm going to have to figure out which one to get rid of first. So while I'm figuring that out, I'm going to be thinking about PEMDAS and how the 2 and the 3 are attached. That 2 is being multiplied by f, so it has multiplication right now. The 3 is just added on, it's addition. And when I solve to get f by itself, I have to undo these things by going backwards through PEMDAS. So I'm going to get rid of the addition first, the 3 first. So I'm getting rid of this added 3 by subtracting 3. That will make it go to 0. So I'm getting rid of the 3's over here. Got 2f equal to, and then if I have -2 minus 3, that's going to be -5. I've only got one more thing left to do, and like we said, that 2 is being multiplied by the f, so to get rid of it, I need to divide, and when I divide by 2, I'm just going to have an f over here, which is exactly what I want. And I have -5/2, and you can leave your answer as a fraction if you would like, or you can change it to a decimal, which would be -2.5. So to recap, when we're solving these equations, we always want to distribute first if we need to. We've got to move our variable so that all of that same letter, all the f's, were on one side. And then we use backward PEMDAS to get rid of all those extra numbers and just have the f.